Welcome. In this video, we will explain how to apply for a personal license in England and Wales. This license allows you to authorize the sale of alcohol and is a legal requirement for many roles in licensed premises. A personal license is issued to an individual, not a business. It allows you to authorize alcohol sales under the Licensing Act 2003 and does not expire unless revoked or surrendered. You may need a personal license if you are a premises license holder, a designated premises supervisor, or a manager responsible for alcohol sales. Even if you are not currently working in licensed premises, holding a personal license can improve job prospects. To apply, you must be at least 18 years old, hold an accredited licensing qualification, and have the right to work in the UK. You must also disclose any relevant criminal convictions. You must complete an accredited qualification, usually called the Award for Personal License Holders, or APLH. This course covers licensing law, responsibilities, and prevention of crime and disorder. If you have unspent relevant convictions, you must declare them. Some convictions may require the police to be notified, but they do not automatically prevent you from getting a license. You will need a completed application and declaration of conviction form, your APLH certificate, 2 passport-style photographs, proof of your right to work, and the correct application fee. You apply to the local authority where you live. This is usually the council's licensing department, not the area where you work. The standard application fee is £37. This is a one-off payment, as the license does not expire. If you declare relevant unspent convictions, the police will be notified. They have 14 days to object, and a hearing will be arranged within 20 days. Most applications are processed within 2 to 4 weeks. If there are no objections, your license will be issued directly by the council. Once granted, you must keep your license safe and notify the council if your name or address changes. You are also expected to comply with licensing law at all times. Common mistakes include incomplete forms, incorrect photographs, missing documents, and failing to declare convictions. These errors can delay or invalidate your application. Applying for a personal license is straightforward if you prepare properly. Complete the correct training, check your documents carefully, and submit a clear, honest application. If you need personal license training or support with your application, visit our website or contact licensing professionals today. Thank you for watching.